Imagine a world where doctors diagnose diseases before you even feel sick. Where robots perform surgeries with precision beyond human capability. Robot short sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, it's happening right now. AI in medicine is advancing at lightning speed, tackling some of the world's most challenging healthcare problems. From detecting cancer earlier than ever to creating life-saving drugs in record time, AI isn't just changing the game, it's rewriting the entire rulebook. Stick around because what you're about to hear will blow your mind. Rocket, let's talk about the biggest breakthroughs. Cancer detection gets supercharged. Reminder Ribbon AI-powered tools like Google's DeepMind are identifying cancers with over 90% accuracy, sometimes years before traditional methods. For example, breast cancer screenings are now catching early signs long before mammogram scan. This means earlier treatment, higher survival rates, and millions of lives saved. Personalized medicine is here. DNA AI is revolutionizing how we approach treatment. Instead of one-size-fits-all solutions, AI analyzes your unique genetics, lifestyle, and even environment to create a treatment plan tailor-made just for you. Companies like Tempus are already doing this for cancer patients, combining genomic data and AI to optimize therapies. Surgical precision like never before. Stethoscope robotic surgeons are now powered by AI. Take Intuitive Surgical's Da Vinci system. It uses AI to assist surgeons in performing minimally invasive surgeries. These robots reduce human error, speed up recovery times, and make surgeries safer. But wait, AI isn't just assisting, it's learning. Each surgery makes these systems smarter for the next patient. Drug discovery on fast forward. Will remember how vaccines used to take years to develop? Thanks to AI, that timeline is shrinking dramatically. Companies like Insilico Medicine are using AI to identify drug candidates in days, speeding up research for diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Mental health and AI therapists. Brain AI chatbots like Wobot are providing 24/7 mental health support, offering cognitive behavioral therapy techniques to those in need. In a world where mental health professionals are stretched thin, AI is filling a critical gap. But there's more. AI is even predicting disease outbreaks. Globe during COVID-19, AI models analyzed data to forecast the spread and help allocate resources efficiently. Imagine what it could do for the next pandemic. So, what's the takeaway? AI isn't just a tool, it's becoming the backbone of modern medicine. From curing diseases once thought incurable to democratizing healthcare access, the possibilities are endless. But with great power comes great responsibility. Brain magnifying glass. How do we ensure ethical use? How do we balance automation with the human touch? What do you think? Are you excited or cautious about AI in medicine? Speech balloon. Let's talk in the comments below. And if you found this video eye-opening, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more groundbreaking updates in AI and tech. Together, we're watching the future unfold. Rocket sparkles.